Plain Jane here. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick review of Pitbull. This is a great book about a champion floor day trader. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you can get great videos just like these. So, Pitbull, very easy read. This is much like Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, where it's going to go ahead and give you the trading biography of Martin Buzzy Schwartz. Now, he was also written up in Market Wizards and was a floor day trader. Well, originally he started as an analyst, and then after working about 7 years as an analyst, decided he wanted to go ahead and buy a seat on the exchange as a floor trader. He'd been taking his knowledge, tracking and studying the market, which is what I always say is really important with learning to trade. Go ahead and study the market. He did it for 7 years at least. So if you're putting in that time, 9 months at least, I recommend go ahead and study that market. But Buzzy went ahead and rocked it and soon became a millionaire. And then he was making multi-millions, and it was really interesting because he was trading the equities, the bonds, and the S&P futures, and started to see the trends in how if the bonds were up, that would usually lead the S&P futures up, and we can see some of these trends happen today. So this is a more current version of a floor trader rather than Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, and it talks about the 70s through to the 90s and how he also ended up opening up his own hedge fund, but that ended up causing him a lot of stress, put him in the hospital. He almost lost his life, and then he finally said, you know what? Taking care of other people's money is not for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and trade my own money. Ended up retiring down in Florida and still trading a little bit on the slide. But it's a great book. I highly recommend it. You can get it on Amazon. The link is down below, so definitely check it out. A very easy, quick read to go ahead and help educate you from a successful trader's point of view. Carpe profit, seize those profits one trade at a time.